Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are looking at something that honestly stopped me dead in my tracks the moment I laid eyes on it, the 2026 futuristic luxury bus concept that is taking the automotive and transportation world by absolute storm. Now I know what you're thinking, a bus. But trust me, by the end of this video, you are going to be blown away, because this is not your grandfather's bus, this is not even close to anything we have seen roll on public roads before. This is a machine designed for the future, engineered like a fighter jet, and styled like something straight out of a Marvel film. So buckle up, let's get into it. Starting from the outside, and I mean, where do you even begin? The 2026 exterior design is bold, aggressive, and absolutely unmistakable. The front fascia is sculpted in deep crimson red and gloss black panels that wrap around each other in sharp, angular lines that almost look like body armor. We are talking about a face that draws direct inspiration from futuristic combat aesthetics, layered panels, geometric cutouts, and sweeping lines that flow backward across the entire body. The front grille isn't a grille in the traditional sense, it's a series of precision-cut vents framed by glowing accent lines and brilliant red LED, which at night turn this machine into a rolling light show. The headlights are razor-thin, stretched horizontally across the lower front end, giving it that wide, predatory stance that makes every other vehicle on the road look like it's stepping aside. Along the side body, you get these dramatic character lines that catch light and shadow beautifully as the vehicle moves, and the massive panoramic glass panel running the length of the upper deck is tinted so deep it almost looks like polished obsidian. The wheel arches are muscular and wide, housing what appear to be custom multi-spoke wheels wrapped in performance rubber. The overall silhouette is a double-decker structure, but nothing about it feels tall or awkward. It's proportioned with purpose, like a tank that learned ballet. This is exterior design at the absolute peak of its craft. Now stepping inside, and this is where things get genuinely jaw-dropping. The interior of the 2026 concept is nothing short of a private jet experience on wheels. The moment those doors slide open, and yes, they slide with that satisfying whisper of air pressure, you are greeted by an ambient lighting system that washes the entire cabin in soft, warm tones. The seating configuration on the lower level features wide, fully reclining throne-style seats upholstered in premium dark leather with contrast stitching and integrated massage functions. Every seat has its own personal entertainment screen embedded into the seat back ahead of it, running a full infotainment suite. The upper deck is even more dramatic, open plan, with floor-to-ceiling glass on both sides, giving passengers a panoramic view of the world passing by. There is a central lounge area up top with low-profile sofas, mood lighting, and what appears to be a built-in refreshment bar along the rear wall. The ceiling is lined with a digital starfield panel that can be programmed to display different environments: night sky, aurora, city lights. Materials throughout are first-class brushed aluminum trim, soft-touch surfaces everywhere your hand might rest, and a near-silent acoustic insulation system that completely blocks road noise. If first class on the world's best airline had a baby with a luxury penthouse on wheels, this interior would be that baby. Moving to performance, and this is where the engineering gets seriously impressive. The 2026 model is rumored to be running a full electric powertrain with dual motors, one on each axle, producing a combined output in the region of 800 horsepower. For a vehicle of this size, that is a staggering figure, and it shows in the real-world dynamics. The acceleration is reportedly smooth but decisive, with the kind of linear power delivery that only electric motors can provide. The platform features an advanced air suspension system that reads the road surface thousands of times per second and adjusts damping in real time, meaning passengers feel virtually nothing from the road below. Regenerative braking is built into the system, feeding energy back into a massive underfloor battery pack that reportedly offers a range of up to 500 kilometers on a single charge. There is also a fast charging capability built in, with 350 kilowatt DC charging support that can bring the battery from 20% to 80% in under 30 minutes. Autonomous driving assistance systems come standard, including lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance, and a 360-degree camera system with overhead bird's-eye view. This is not just transportation, this is a rolling technology platform. Now for pricing, and this is where we come back down to earth just a little. Given that this is still in the concept to production pipeline, official retail pricing has not been formally announced. However, industry insiders and analysts tracking the project are placing the expected market entry price somewhere between $1.2 million and $2.5 million depending on configuration, trim level, and market region. Fleet pricing and government transit contracts could bring that number down significantly, but for private buyers or luxury charter companies, expect to pay top dollar for this level of engineering and design. Honestly, the 2026 concept has redefined what we thought was possible for this category of vehicle, and I genuinely cannot wait to see it in production form. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and drop a comment below telling me what you thought of this incredible machine. See you in the next one.